Good morning, and welcome to Vancouver High School Center of International Studies for our honor roll assembly today. If you're just getting here, please come in and have a seat and sit down. Thank you very much. We're very honored to spend a little bit of time today honoring our kids who have excelled in academics. A lot of schools don't do that. We started it last year with Mr. Fraser's AVID class, and it got carried on this year with Corianne Russell's 12th grade AVID class. So those students and her and our counselors and administrators got together and put together a lot of certificates and a lot of work to make this thing work well for us today. One of the major things for Vancouver High School, which is different than the other schools, that we are the Center of International Studies. Within our pillars, you know, your students and the kids here, you guys also, have really embraced the 4 pillars for Vancouver, which is investigating the world in your classes, recognizing different perspectives as we look at social studies and English and history, and as we look at different things within our academics. We're constantly communicating ideas, looking at all areas within all circles of different cultures as we look at our things that we study and the work that we do. And then finally, we take action. And last year, Mr. Fraser, they decided we're going to take action and we need to do something to help our kids and celebrate the successes that our kids, you guys, have done this year in reaching a high bar of rigor and standard. So next slide, please, is our vision for Vancouver High School Center of International Studies. Graduates are globally aware and engaged in citizens who are college, career, and life ready. That's what we're all about here, is getting our students life and career ready. Our mission, we are leaders who value diversity, and we empower lifelong learners who actively and positively contribute to our school, our community, and our world. Once again, I'd like to have all of Ms. Russell's AVID students who helped make this assembly possible, please stand up. Or step forward. Stand up. Just give them a team up. Also, I want to remind people, you know, this is an academic assembly, and I want everyone to behave appropriately, which is, you guys will do a great job today. And at this time, I want to introduce Erica Vera, who was the main force in making this assembly come to fruition. So, Erica. And
welcome again. The purpose of this ceremony is for all the people who worked hard and went above and beyond in their classes to be recognized, for all the sleepless nights working on projects, studying for tests and homework, for us to show you that we appreciate and acknowledge all of your hard work.
And now our principal, Ms. Godelko, would like to say a few words.
Good morning. Thank you so much for being here today. I'm Jody Godelko, principal here at Fort Vancouver High School, and I am honored to be in the presence of all of these scholars. That's one of the things that I think is really important about today, and actually every day, is we talk about how great our kids are. We know they're great kids. We know we have this wonderful, diverse fabric of students that come from every part of the world, and the knowledge and backgrounds that they have to share enrich everything we do. Sometimes we forget to talk about the fact that we have great thinkers, and they are scholars. And this is evidence of it here today. The fact that we had an increase in our graduation rate of over 19% last year is evidence that we are having increasing academic success. The fact that we have more students, seniors, on track to graduate with higher standards this year is evidence that we have great scholars in our school who are academically focused. I am again honored to be in the presence of all of these students who have worked so hard. And I want to thank all the parents that are here today and all of those that could not be here, because without your support and partnership, we know that your students would not have the success that they're having today. So thank you for all you've done 24/7 to help your students, and thank you for being here today to honor them as well. Our AVID class has risen to the occasion, showing leadership and in getting this academic awards assembly together to honor students that have a 3.3 grade point average or above. So that's why we're here. I'm going to stop talking. I'm turning it over to our AVID class so we can get on with honoring our students. Erica?
Now, we will be reading the list of the top 10 students with most improved GPA from each grade. Please come up to receive your certificates and stay on the stage to get your picture taken. So first we have Damian Wilson.
David Figueroa Valencia.
Brianna Armstrong.
Gabriel Rogers Clark.
Miracruz Sierra Aborto.
Arnolfa Marquez Contreras.
Vanessa Jimenez.
Princess Siana Takahashi.
Dominic Keith.
Alexia Sokoff.
Katerina Frosinyuk.
Manuel Ramirez.
Alex Barrera.
Mackenzie Kaplan.
Brianna Hostetler.
Gael Valadez Burgos.
Giselle Castro Garay.
Noah Christensen.
Karina Moya Texcaha.
Katana Pison.
Christina Badillo.
Rhiannon Leslie.
Janya James Peritano.
Austin Thompson.
Tobias Vaughn.
Jose Jeremino Morales.
Ingrid Perez Lopez.
Jasmine Rodriguez Banelos.
Taylor Peterson.
Evelyn Solis Orozco.
Kevin Hernandez Avelino.
Chloe Palin Prekopton.
William Vaughn.
Alexa Hideo.
Carla Navarro Castellanos.
Savannah Sanders.
Sergio Villegas Serrano.
Jermaine Smith Jr.
Carolina Vea.
Nova Martin.
So all these students on stage received the highest improvement in their GPA from last semester.
We'll now award students who earned honor roll in semester 2 of last year and semester 1 of this year, who achieved a GPA of either 3.3 to 3.49. Please stand as your name is read and hold your applause till the end. You will receive your certificates at the end of the assembly outside the auditorium.
Josephine Acosta.
Aaron Adolfo.
Nina Albert.
Avalon Amaya.
Abigail Agada Cordova.
Samuel Bansu.
Isatu Ba.
Hannah Bailey.
Paige Barker.
Melissa Barrera.
Devin Baxter.
Tony Bearden.
Kayla Blitz.
Kyra Bond.
Madeline Bortolini.
Anastasia Bertseva.
Jackson Butterfield.
Brian Caputo.
Carla Carrillo Alvarez.
Irina Kazak.
Benjamin Cha.
Avery Christensen.
Noah Christensen.
Judy Cifuentes Rodriguez.
Camden Courtney.
Samuel Crawford.
Demetra Davidu.
Esmeralda de Jesus.
Lisbeth Diaz Hernandez.
Anthony Delgado.
McKenna Ellen.
Andrew Falatovich.
Kiera Fleetwood.
Autumn Fry.
Jackson Fuller.
Bryson Gates.
Timothy German.
Lincoln Glick.
Zoe Gonzalez.
Marco Guardado Prado.
Tiare Haight.
Kyra Harris.
Alejandro Hernandez Soto.
Charlotte Hebert.
Hung Hung Wang.
Hung Han Huang. Luis Huerta Hernandez.
Anatoly Zod.
Jordan Jackson.
Dennis Jacob.
Janya James Puritano.
Ivor Gian.
Ganelli Jimenez Camona.
Lolly Jimenez.
Leslie Johnson.
Ruvim Karatanenko.
Jennifer Korn.
Alexander Kreiner.
Diana Labak.
Alexia Lalangan.
Nicholas Lorenzo.
Paige Schlargian.
Madeline Lieb.
Leilani Lee.
Anatoly Leander.
Rhiannon Leslie.
Max Levine.
Adamari Lopez.
Gwyneth Lodermilk.
Janae Lowe.
Yaylee Luna Mayorga.
Jimena Martinez Lopez.
Janet Martinez Zavala.
Jeremy McCaffrey.
Caleb McCombs.
John Medina Beltran.
Alma Melchor Burgos.
Gerardo Melchor.
Angela Mendez.
Brian Mendoza.
Jasmine Michelle Manriquez.
Justin Miner,
Vanessa Morales,
Adrian Moya,
Maria Nedelenko,
Riley Nelson,
On Win,
Peter Wynn,
Elena Nikaimuko,
Kyla Nix,
Anibal Ochoa,
Lisbeth Onofre Murillo,
Giselle Ortega Villanueva,
Esmeralda Ortiz,
Samra Osmansevich,
Cassandra Osorio Beltran,
Marley Parra,
Aaliyah Pena,
Ingrid Perez Lopez,
Genesee Peterson,
Taylor Peterson,
Amina Borisovec,
Fabian Ramirez Castro,
Joycelyn Ray,
Shayna Ramigo Dimas,
Ivan Reyes Perez,
Jesus Reyes Ramirez,
Saj Reynolds,
McQuain Redev,
Holly Rivada,
Christopher Rivera Garcia,
Adeline Robles,
Jasmine Rodriguez Banuelos,
Parker Rodriguez Schaefer,
Adrian Rodriguez,
Kai Ross,
Tyler Runkle,
Emily Salinas Francisco,
Don Manuel Sayo,
Odell Sifu,
Khalil Singleton,
Julia Skolinet,
Kyle Smith,
Jillian Snyder,
Dakota Stewart,
Braden Stokes,
Han Ta,
Linda Top,
Diana Tapia Abundis,
Jessica Tishkina,
Yesenia Urena Valdovinos,
Alma Valencia Aredwin,
Shelby Willick,
Viviana Williander,
Avery Wilkerson,
Wally Williander,
Hyphen Chao.
Those who are students who achieved a 3.3 to 3.49 for semester 1 or semester 2 of last year.
That's a lot of names, guys. We appreciate you holding your applause today. Thank you. We will now award students who earned honor roll in semester 2 of last year and the first semester of this year with a GPA of 3.5 to 3.99. Again, please stand as your name is read, and please hold your applause till the end. Thank you.
Miguel Aguilar,
Eva Alanis,
Nina Albert,
Dana Alvarado Robles,
Jasmine Arceo Morales,
Leticia Arceo Morales,
Chloe Arms,
Kaylee Ockman,
Abigail Ayala Cordova,
Nee Bach,
Lauren Bailey,
Paige Barker,
Ambrose Batts,
Kyra Baibayan,
Sadie Benavente,
Vincent Bennett,
Morena Blanca,
Michaela Bollinger,
Dana Brovkina,
Maria Borovkova,
Madeline Bortolini,
Andrew Boyea,
Dylan Brooks Mink,
Savannah Gross,
David Brovkin,
Dana Brovkina,
Jax Buckley,
Marissa Burgess,
Jackson Butterfield,
Anna Karen Caballero,
Damian Cadena,
Damar Campos,
DeAndre Cannon,
Ryan Caputo,
Jared Carlos Sanchez,
Shane Carver,
Benjamin Chop,
Kevin Cha,
Ravishek Chand,
Catalina Chim,
Abigail Chicas Lopez,
Avery Christensen,
Anna Clark,
Kiana Coburn,
Jonathan Cook,
Carson Cooper.
Amelia Kreuter,
Melanie Cruz Flores.
Esmeralda de Jesus,
Tori de la Cruz.
Cariel de la Pena,
Rocky de la Rosa.
Raymond Diaz,
Annalise Deras.
Baracta de Zonga,
Lisbeth Diaz Hernandez.
Shirley Diaz Ramirez,
Christopher Diosdado.
Elizabeth Dolan,
Connie Eklund.
Andrew Falatovich,
Scott Belsky.
Kevin Fernandez Reyes,
Andrew Field.
Brianna Field,
Logan Finley.
Joseph Fitzsimmons,
Madison Flayton.
Evelyn Flexer Lapke,
Alexander Flores.
Cesar Flores,
Isander Flores.
Jessica Frankie,
Hunter Fredrickson.
Katarina Frozenyuk,
Autumn Fry.
Gabriela Garcia,
Liliana Garcia.
Daly Garibay,
Emma Garrett.
Alondra Dayton Arroyo,
Timothy German.
Peyton Gormley,
Lincoln Glick.
Kaylee Gonzalez,
Daniela Gonzalez Hernandez.
Nadia Guillen Sanchez,
Cassidy Hall.
Messiah Hardy,
Gianni Harrington.
Stephanie Harris,
Anna Harrison.
Anna Sasan,
Andrew Hanksler.
Mercedes Herbert,
Anayansi Hernandez Montoya.
David Wong,
Sierra Hollinsworth.
Lillian Hollenberry,
Jacob Hua.
Hung Hung Wong,
Anaí Huesos.
Christian Whistle,
Josephine Hui.
Randy Hunt,
Madison Hunter.
Anaí Hurtado Reese,
Darina Closet.
Jana Ngala,
Justine Jacob.
Medina Jasarevic,
Christina Kaiser.
Mackenzie Kaplan,
Christy Calpration.
Jessica Karatanenko,
Jennifer Korn.
Isabel Kraninger,
Haley Kreiner.
Ariane Kumar,
Eugenia Kushnir.
Carissa Brandt,
Leoline Lanio.
Nicholas Lorenza,
Myron Lawrence.
Christina Lebedev,
Janae Lowe.
Anatoly Leondar,
Alexandra Leskakova.
Kevin Limon,
Phoenix Lowe.
David Lucero,
Isaac Luna Lopez.
Natalia Luschuk,
Annika Max.
Ilona Maliakina,
Daphne Marcial Lubio.
Jimena Martinez Lopez,
Alba Martin Lacosta.
Dylan Mash,
Anaí Maya.
Sergio Mayo,
Students, please stand and be recognized. A round of applause.
Now we're going to continue M through Z, also 3.5 to 3.99, semester 2 of last year and semester 1 of this year.
Sorry about that. I didn't realize there was no sheet. Again, please stand when your name is called. Hold your applause to the end. Really appreciate it, guys. Caleb McCombs.
Alma Melchor Burgos,
Gerardo Melchor.
Brittany Mendez Ochoa,
Maria Mendez Tomas.
Angela Mendez,
Colby Malani.
Zoltana Miles Mayer,
Dominic Miller.
Justin Miner,
Angela Mohanan.
Taylor Montgomery,
Oswaldo Morales Machoro,
Vanessa Morales,
Fernando Moreno Carrillo,
Navon Morgan,
Timothy Morris,
Adrian Moya,
David Mudry,
Sean Murray,
Rachel Nazario,
Naveed Nafay,
Shaheen Nafe,
Carla Navarro Castellanos,
Nazario Rachel,
Kamya Nelson Okamaya,
Annika Newby,
Andy Wynn,
Kevin Wynn,
Peter Wynn,
Kalila Niblet,
Janelle Nino Dimas,
Chase O'Meara,
Giselle Ortega Villanueva,
Ashley Payne,
Dale Parker,
Marley Parra,
Justin Payne,
Gerardo Peralta Hernandez,
Eugenia Pechko,
Hugo Perez Diaz,
Conwin Fawn,
Christopher Phelps,
Emily Phelps,
Ariel Ponce Flores,
Stephanie Prado Perez,
Lloyd Kylan Prakoptum,
Catherine Puncher,
Amina Perezovich,
Angelina Quezada Rodriguez,
Angelica Quitugua Demetria,
Joanna Ramirez Pineda,
Jordi Ramirez Vasquez,
Manuel Ramirez,
Jose Rangel Trejo,
Cecia Ratana,
Ivan Reyes Perez,
Jesus Reyes Ramirez,
Troy Reynolds Meyer,
Andrew Ritchie,
Ashton Rivada,
Hope Roberts,
Brianna Rodriguez,
Gabriel Rogers Clark,
Gabriel Root,
Benjamin Rosas,
Avery Rowe,
Angelica Reinhardt,
Lindsay St. Ford,
Jacqueline Salvin,
Annie Sahakian,
Erica Salonga,
Maria Sanchez Moreno,
Armando Santiago Fields,
Don Manuel Sayal,
Abraham Sayago Almonte,
Arik Schmitz,
Olivia Skurlock,
Luis Serrano Cortez,
Noah Serrano Escalante,
Morlai Cisse,
Elisabetta Schlegio,
Fu Pei Shen,
Latavon Silaya,
Latavon Sehala,
Igor Sivi,
James B. Skoboverdin,
Anastasia Skulinets,
Mahela Smith,
Jillian Snyder,
Isabella Snyder,
Evelyn Solis Orozco,
Jennifer Solorio Lopez,
Max Soria Mejia,
Taryn Solenthon,
Taylor Spears,
Kevin Stevens,
Dakota Stewart,
Aisha Sumara,
Emily Thomas,
Clarissa Thompson,
Haley Tibbetts,
Jose Tizol Morales,
Christina Tran,
Tiffany Tran,
Jeffrey Trong,
Austin Turrentine,
Yodrina Sotol,
Jaime Gueda,
Elizabeth Ugbinada,
Rose Ellen Ubinada,
Wendy Valencia Montes,
Seth Bandetta,
Emily Van Meter,
Sasha Vasilenko,
Jessica Vicente,
Isis Villalobos,
Daniel Villalba,
Deanne Villanueva Diaz,
Reagan Walsick,
Mohammed Wali,
Morgan Weinmaster,
Maddie Winery,
Ashanti White,
Taylor Williams,
Lele Willander,
Isabel Williams,
Lillian Williander,
Damian Wilson,
Elise Wyatt,
Alina Zabolotska,
Hyphen Zhao,
Julie Zubinov. And that's it. Please give a round of applause for
final group to be recognized have shown great academic integrity and will be recognized for earning a 4.0 GPA. Please come up to the stage to receive your certificates. So first we're going to be starting with people who accumulated a 4.0 GPA during the second semester of the 2017 to 2018 school year.
First up is Sadie Brown.
Abigail Chicas Lopez.
Ethan Clark.
Christopher Diosdado.
Henry Doan.
Paulina Gelliver.
Sierra Jones. Milana Karnajitskaya.
Carissa LeBrand.
Lindsay Luis.
Isaac Luna Lopez.
Isaac Mirza.
Anna Wynn.
Kevin Wynn.
Rihanna North.
Emily Phelps.
Sarah Shad Patterson.
Mahela Smith.
Max Sonia Mejia.
Queen Truong.
Morgan Winemaster. And now we have the people who accumulated a 4.0 GPA during the first semester of this school year.
Kiana Baibaya.
Sadie Benavente.
Emily Cisneros.
Ethan Clark.
Kiana Coburn.
Henry Doe.
Brianna Field.
Bailey Garibay.
Alexa Hideo.
Jacob Hua.
Serena Kowalski.
Sarah Jax.
Justine Jacob.
Tina Kaiser.
Milana Karnajitskaya.
Ethan Kramer.
Paige Larkin.
Christina Lebedev.
Bridget Lopez.
Brianna Marr.
Jace McGarvey.
Aylin Mijares Camino.
Lenciona Miller.
Isaac Mirza.
Anna Wynn.
Vani Patel.
Lindsay St. Ford.
Sarah Shet Peterson.
Isabella Snyder.
Austin Tran.
Queen Trong.
Allison Wilszewski.
Genevieve Winkley. And that's all of our students who got a 4.0.
They might have
Now, Ms. Delco would like to say a few words to close us out.
erased my
All right, I am so proud of all of our student scholars here today and those that couldn't make it. Can we please give a round of applause for all of our students?